Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to verify your Alipay account without an international passport. First, find the Alipay app icon on your smartphone and tap to open it. Once the app is open, you'll see a spot to enter your phone number. Just type it in. After entering your phone number, tap the Next button. The app will show some terms and conditions. Just tap Agree to accept them. Now, the app might ask you to do something like shaking your phone. Just follow the instructions on the screen. After that, there will be another Agree button. Tap it to confirm. You'll get a verification code via SMS. Enter that code when prompted. Next, select your country from the list provided in the app. And just like that, you've successfully created your Alipay account. To verify your account, go to the Account section at the bottom right of the screen. Tap the gear icon in the upper right to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, look for Account and Security and tap it. Then, find Identity Verification. Here, you can either manually fill in your ID information or use the scan feature to automatically fill it in by scanning your ID. Hit Submit when done. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and verify your Alipay account without an international passport, making it super easy to start using its financial services. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.